जेटली और जेठमलानी के बीच जो सवालों के जंग कोर्ट में जारी हैं, वही जंग अब राज्यसभा में भी देखने को मिला है। जेठमलानी अरुण जेटली से कालेधन और विदेशों में जमा खातों को लेकर बात कर रहे थे और जेटली पर अभद्र टिप्पणी कर दी, जिससे नाराज होकर बीजेपी के सांसद लगातार हंगामा करते रहे और फिर जेटली ने ही फाइनली जवाब देकर जेठमलानी को चुप कराया और बिठाया।
Let me take the next question. Shri Jeethmalani. Please. सुन लीजिए.
Sir, I wish to confess before this House that I have never seen a more dishonest answer in the history of this Parliament.
No. Please adhere to the
Sir,
accepted etiquette of the House.
this question, I am sorry. Please. What is the meaning of this?
Please. Sir, उनको please sit down. मानना पड़ेगा. भाई ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? Sir, no. Without the apology, please. Please apology. Please sit down. क्यों नहीं करेंगे? Please sit down. Please sit down. बैठ जाइए. No. Let's hear the question. Apology. The member has been cautioned. Sir. Member has been cautioned. Let's hear the question.
Mr. Chairman,
Let's hear the question. Just a minute. Please. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. The member has been cautioned about the etiquette of the House.
Senior person.
Please. But all right, go ahead with the question. Go ahead with the question.
Unacceptable.
If anything unparliamentary has been said, it will be expunged. Record will be examined. Go ahead, please. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please go ahead with your
sir,
question.
will you ask them to keep quiet?
No,
Here
please.
comes facts.
क्या हुआ?
Don't become shameless.
The word uttered by the honourable member is unparliamentary and is therefore taken off the records. Proceed. Now, the accepted process is what is unparliamentary is expunged. Full stop. That is the end of it. Now let's hear the question. No,
Chairman,
you can't ask for more than that.
the preparation they have made to hide the fraud
Please
of
sit
the
down,
House
please.
and the nation.
यादव जी, please. आप बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. Please sit down.
We can listen.
Please sit down. Ministers cannot agitate. Please. Ministers cannot agitate.
You
Please
should be
go sit down.
ashamed of it.
Honorable,
I am the founder of the BJP.
just 1 minute.
God
Everyone,
be led by correct people.
please sit down.
You are
Please sit down. Everyone, please sit down. Everyone sit down. Please sit down. There is an accepted practice in the House. If an unparliamentary word is used, it is expunged from records. That has been done in this case. Now we proceed with the proceedings. No.
Sir, I am sorry. This will not go on. I want to inform the nation of the biggest fraud that is being practiced upon the nation. You all should be ashamed that you don't want to hear a man who is as old as your father. You don't have even a sense of Indian culture.
Please, no, please. Please sit down. Ministers do not agitate. Please. No. Please accept please respect your own position. Please. No. Please. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. The wrong expression that has been used has been expunged. If you have a supplementary question, Jethmalani ji, please ask.
Sir, I am now to state a few facts to expose how Sir, the House won't go on like this.
Sir, ये भाषण कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रहे हैं. Hear the question. Sir, you ask supplementary question.
This is hooliganism, not parliament.
Please, let us hear the question, please. Please. Honorable member, you are a minister of the government. Please, you cannot agitate. Let's hear the question. Yes, please.
Sir,
Please.
the question of black money has been tormenting the whole world, and so much so that in 2000, the United Nations started studying this problem of black money.
What is the question?
Sir, here the facts. Otherwise, how will the House appreciate the question?
Please ask the question. Supplementary question.
Sir, supplementary question is this, that do you know that the task force of the BJP had studied this problem, made a report. In the report it was estimated that 90 lakh crores of Indian money equivalent to $1,500 billion have been stolen from this country and deposited in foreign banks. $1,500 billion.
What is the question?
And here is a person.
No, that is a statement. What is the question?
All estimates are wrong. He is ashamed.
Please.
He is ashamed to the honest people.
What is the question? बैठ जाइए. Sharma ji, please.
Now, sir, the question is.
Please sit down. Please. This is unbecoming of everyone. बैठ जाइए. शर्मा जी बैठ जाइए. नकवी साहब बैठ जाइए. Let's hear. आपका सवाल क्या है? Don't make a statement. Ask the question.
I am now asking the question.
What is the question?
They will all the time pretend that they are ignorant of everything. So I must first tell them about the preliminary.
No, just a question, nothing else.
Well, sir,
yes.
My next question. After the
question by सुन लीजिए ना. नकवी साहब, please.
Next question and next
Naqvi sahab, question, please.
I am running my 94th year of life. And look at these young men.
What is the question?
They don't have the courtesy. They don't have the moral sense.
Please ask your question.
They should sit and listen.
What is the question?
You will be ashamed of yourself after hearing me.
No, why don't you ask your question? Please.
My question
You are a
is...
senior member. Please ask your question.
Sir, I am asking my question.
Yes.
Yes, now please hear the question.
Yeah.
Hear the question.
Let's hear the question. Let us hear the question. बैठ जाइए. आप मंत्री हैं. बैठ जाइए. आप मंत्री हैं.
Sir, the government of Germany.
आप बैठ जाइए. आप मंत्री हैं. Please. बैठ जाइए. आप
What you are doing?
आप बैठ जाइए भाई. बैठ जाइए. Please.
Learn something.
No, please. Jethmalani ji, precious time is being lost. Please ask your question.
But sir,
not
I
a
should be
statement.
heard. I want some silence, some manners. Sir, They will not. Sir, you must expel all of them if they don't want the House to continue. Otherwise, we will not.
It's an interesting suggestion, but unimplementable. Unimplementable, and that's not part of your question. भाई आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए ना. I'll have to go to the next.
Allow me to.
कौन है?
Sir.
Okay, if you don't have a question, I'll have to go to the next one. Please.
What? Sir, but how?
What is the question?
At least
Please.
maintain some order.
Please ask the question.
Now, sir, hear the question. Can you hear the question in this kind of a...
भाई सवाल पूछ लीजिए आप अपना.
But sir, why are you not dealing with them? Expel those who will not allow the House to function.
But please ask your question and leave the chair to do its duty.
Now, please, sir, the question is very simple.
Yes.
That in pursuance of United Nations action on black money and corruption, the German government ultimately paid a bribe of $475 million to an employee of the Liechtenstein Bank, and that employee provided 1,400 signatures of dacoits from the world over, and the German government made an announcement that the largest number of dacoits in this list are Indians. And
So,
the German government made an offer that if India wants, we will give the names and disclose all the information to the Indian government. Not the ruling party, nor the opposition party went there and stop it.
You don't have a question. This is not on. I will call the next person. जेठमलानी जी आप बैठ जाइए. आप बैठ जाइए.
Sir, first tell me.
Please sit down. You have not asked your question.
Sir, what you don't want to deal with them. You want to deal with the person who is asking a question.
Please, I'll take the next question now. Shri Vijay Sai Reddy.
Sir, this can't go. Sir, this will not be allowed to go. I will land in the house here.
No. Reply. The Honorable Leader of the House will answer. Please, I want silence. I want silence. Let everybody sit down. The Honorable Leader of the House. Let him... The Leader of the House wishes to say something. Please listen to him. Please listen to him. Please listen to him. Please listen to him. Please listen to the Leader of the House. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute, please.
Sir,
1 minute. Silence, please. Silence, please. Please, सुन लीजिए.
sir, the
प्लीज आप बैठ जाइए. आप 1 मिनट बैठ जाइए. सुन लीजिए. नहीं, देखिए, we can't give him indefinite time to complete his question. Let us hear the Leader of the House. No, I'm sorry. We have given you more than 10 minutes to ask a question. You haven't done it. I'm sorry.
The question which requires 10 sentences.
A question.
You haven't even allowed me to complete the question.
You can't take 10 minutes to ask a supplementary question.
What do you mean? I can't. I will finish it in 2 minutes, provided they are silent. They maintain good manners.
Okay, can you please now quickly say your question, not a statement.
Sir, I want to ask the question that did you make any effort to avail of the offer publicly made by the German government that we have a list of 1400 rascals, amongst whom the majority unfortunately belong to my nation.
Thank you. Okay, you have asked your question
and
now.
did you make any effort to take the names from the Germans?
Thank you. Thank you.
In spite of their offer.
Thank you. Thank you. Let the answer be given. Honorable Finance Minister, you've asked your question now. Please sit down. Please sit down.
Sir,
Yes.
despite all the confusion,
बैठ जाइए अब आप बैठ जाइए प्लीज
Despite-
you've asked your question. No, you've asked your question. Let us hear the answer.
sir, despite all the confusion that prevailed, the gist of the question, as I understand it, relates to the HSBC accounts, the details of which were provided to the Government of India. Now, under different treaties, the information which had come to us and some of the evidence in relation to this was in Switzerland. All steps in this regard have been taken by the government. Of the 628 persons who were named, each one of them has been investigated. In many accounts, monies were found. In some accounts, it was not found. And all those accounts, assessments have been completed in 409 cases. Of these 409 cases, rupees 8,437 has been assessed and 190 prosecutions have been filed, and therefore no one member of this House should be under the impression that every other section of this House is not serious as far as pursuing these cases are concerned.
Thank you. श्री विजय साई रेड्डी, नहीं आपका सवाल हो गया. I have called Mr. Reddy, please. No, you've had your question and the answer. Please. बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. It will be examined. Please sit down. Mr. Reddy, please, your question.
Sir.
No, please. I have called another member. Please. Sharma Saab, another member has been called. Please, Sharma Saab, it's not your turn. Please, the record will be examined and approved.
NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट.